Students, this is in text question 1.18 from page number 24 of the solid state, right? So let's read the statement. An element with molar mass 2.7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 kg per mole forms a cubic unit cell with edge length 405 picometer. If its density is 2.7 into 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube, what is the nature of the cubic unit cell? Okay, so here they have given you an element whose molar mass is 2.7 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So you can write molar mass is denoted by capital M equal to 2.7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 kg per mole, right? Now they have given you the edge length of the unit cell. Edge length means A. That is 405 picometer. Here density is given in meter cube, right? So I have to convert this value in meter also. We know that 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? So I'll put the value of picometer. So 405 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. You can write in bracket 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? Density, the value of D equal to 2.7 into 10 raised to power 3 kg meter cube. They are asking you to find what is the nature of the cubic unit cell. We can find this by the formula D equal to Z into M over A cube into N A, right? So here we have to find the value of Z. So what we will do, we'll take Z on one side and the remaining terms on the other side, right? So here A cube into NA will be multiplied with D. So D into A cube into NA, capital M will be in the denominator, right? So here density, we have density A cube. Now we have the value of edge length. Okay, so we'll do the cube of this value. Now what is Na over here? Na is Avogadro number of atoms, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms in 1 mole. Okay, so we'll put the values, right? So Z equal to D 2.7 into 10 raised to power 3 kg meter cube. A edge length 405 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. We'll do the cube of this value into Avogadro number of atoms, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole divided by molar mass, that is 2.7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 kg per mole, right? So first of all, we'll solve the cube of 405 into 10 raised to power minus 12. So Z equal to 2.7 into 10 raised to power 3 kg meter cube into, I'll do the cube of this value. It will be 66.43 into 10 raised to power minus 30 meter cube into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole, right? Divided by 2.7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 kg per mole. So now I'll cancel this kg with this, mole inverse with mole inverse, meter cube with this meter cube, right? Now 2.7 with this 2.7, right? So now let's compile the values here. If I'll multiply 66.43 with 6.022, the answer will be 400.04, right? Now let's compile the powers. So here 10 raised to power 3, right? Here now this power is 10 raised to power minus 2 in denominator. When I'll take this power in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power 2, right? Into 10 raised to power minus 30 into 10 raised to power 23. Unit is atoms only, right? Now here we know that the powers are in multiplication, so simply add them, right? So 400.04 into 10 raised to power. Now take positive powers on one side and negative on the other side. So minus 30 plus 3 plus 2 plus 23. So 23 plus 2, 25, 25 plus 3, 28. So Z equal to 400.04 into 10 raised to power minus 30 plus 28 atoms, right? So minus 30 plus 28, that will be minus 2, right? So 400.04 into 10 raised to power minus 2 atoms. Here minus 2 means 1 by 100, right? So if I'll rearrange this value, that will be 400.04 into 1 by 100, right? So here units atoms. If I'll divide 400.04 with 100, the value will be Z equal to 4.0004 atoms. That will be approximately Z equal to 4 atoms, right? That means the contribution of atoms in a unit cell is equal to 4. Okay, so you can write the unit cell is FCC or CCP.